Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document on your phone. First, ensure your document is accessible on your device. Then, we will explore built-in tools or third-party applications to add your signature. Finally, you will learn to save and share your signed document efficiently. This simple process can be completed in just a few quick steps. Start by locating the document on your mobile device. Most people receive documents through email, often as a PDF or Microsoft Word file, which are both easily manageable. You can also retrieve files from popular cloud storage platforms such as Dropbox or iCloud. Ensure the document is open in a compatible viewer, preparing it for the next step. Your phone likely has a native tool to help you sign. Apple iPhone users can easily find the markup feature, accessible directly within the Files app or when viewing a PDF document. For Android users, a specific PDF viewer or a third-party application might be necessary. Explore your phone's options to find the best tool for your document type. With the signature tool activated, you can now add your personal mark. Use your finger or a stylus to carefully draw your signature directly on the screen. Many applications also offer the option to type your name, which converts into a professional-looking digital signature. Carefully position and resize your signature to fit the document's specific signature line exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.